We have seen our ancestors tackle all kind of illnesses doing yoga and other exercises on a regular basis. Similarly, hair loss is also a type of illness that we can overcome using exercises or yoga. The two main factors that result in hair loss will be overcome by these exercises, and they are stress and lack of blood flow or blood circulation in the scalp. We have seen many ancient gurus and pandits and even the modern men and women doing yoga. This is such an exercise where you focus on your breathing and think about nothing else. This exercise can help you calm down, reducing your cortisol levels, also known as the stress-causing hormones. Moreover, breathing can help the blood circulation in the body by increasing it, causing the increase in blood flow in the scalp, and helps replenishing the hair follicles with nutrients and strengthening their roots. Next is massaging. This simple exercise has been with us since the days our grandma used to perform the champi or a hair oil massage. But the benefits of the champi can also be done without using oil. By massaging your scalp, you increase your blood flow into the scalp and help your hair grow thicker and stronger from within. You should do this twice daily for 10 to 15 minutes each in the morning and in the evening. Next yoga posture is called the Sirsasana. This yoga posture should be done only for 6 minutes in the morning and in the evening. You should do 3 sets of 2 minutes each. You can start by doing 3 sets of 1 minute each and then gradually improve. This exercise rushes the blood from the entire body and focuses on your scalp entirely. And this causes your hair follicles to have a buffet of nutrients. But remember, you shouldn't overdo it as you might feel dizzy afterwards, and do this on an empty stomach always. You can notice a reduction in hair fall and a growth in the hair density within a month only if you do these exercises and yoga posture, and you can even grow your lost hair back. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the Hair.Dudes channel for such hair content.